closer. These are very natural looking lips. Natural looking nude lips that you can do very, very easy. And the reason I made this thickums, like thickums, bitch, yes. The reason I made this thickum lip gloss is because I am looking for something, so why not make it? Because it's not really like existing, where it's a product that is used specifically for doing lip promos, lip ads, lip looks, because it has this high, very high shine, and it's super thick. It decreases the amount of transfer that you would have with the regular lip gloss because it is so thick. And because it is so thick, it decreases the amount of transfer that you would have. And by transfer, I mean Lord. This lip gloss, the Stickum lip gloss, has a very low chance of disturbing the actual lipstick that you put on underneath the lip gloss. And I noticed that that occurs a lot. Like, you do your lips, you do your lipstick, then you put your lip gloss on, and it kind of interferes with it. And I just want to shine over my lip gloss. I mean, over my lips. I don't want to change the look of my lips. I just want to shine. So this lip gloss gives you that shine without disturbing the lips much. Just a little. Because it is lip gloss. But definitely less than, you know, the typical lip gloss. Because I made it specifically to do this. I mean, damn. So to start off, I'm using my Crayon Case liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Gumbo. So that's the brown liquid lipstick that they have. Any brown liquid lipstick or lipstick, but I like to use liquid lipstick because it dries matte, and I don't know, it's just like easier for this look. And I outline my lips using the product or the lipstick, and then with a brush I bring the excess product that is left over on my lips. I gently bring it to the inside of my lips. I'm not adding any more product, just lining my lips. And with that excess, I'm going to bring that in towards my lip. And I'm only doing one lip at a time with this liquid lipstick because it does dry. It is a matte formula. So if you try to do both, it's going to come out looking crazy. So take your time, one lip at a time to get like perfect lips. Okay, so the next step is y'all need to come in closer because I really need you to see this. So I see how smooth that is, and it's really blended in with my natural lip color, or my natural lips, not color, my natural lips. And now I'm going to go in and do my bottom lip. And I'm doing the same thing where I'm outlining my lip using that Crayon Case liquid lips. And I'm not doing any extra. I go into the tube, one dip, I'm done. And I bring the excess up and blend that in with my lips. And I do it till there's no excess. I'm not doing a whole bunch of product, just literally enough to line my lips. And that's all you need. Because if you do try to go up more, or try to use the product to actually do your lips, then it's going to be too much. And we want to do a nice, subtle nude lip that looks professional. Now I'm using my Huda Beauty Bullet lipstick, Power Bullet lipstick. And this is in the shade Graduation Day. So this is a soft pink, and it's just like a little messy, but don't you worry about that. When I do it, it may be messy. When you do it, it may be messy, but you're not really concerned about that. What you're concerned about is getting the product on your lips, and now I'm blending it in to that brown liquid lipstick. And look how natural my lips look. If you didn't know any better, you would think like this is the actual natural color of my lips, but it's not. Enter star of the show. Yes, honey, this is our Logan the Empress Thickums lip gloss. Look at that little bit. Like that's like a freaking, not even a pea size amount. And look how thick it is. Lip gloss is infused with coconut oil and it is so thick. The viscosity on this is amazing, but it doesn't come out gummy. It won't turn gummy, but it gives you like that perfect, beautiful layer of gloss that you need to really accentuate your lips without disturbing the lipstick itself. Because I took my time to do my lipstick, honey, and I want it to be there. Oh my God, this is so satisfying. I couldn't stop doing this. Look at how freaking gorgeous this lip gloss is. Look at how smooth it goes on. It's so thick. It gives you exactly what you need to do your gorgeous makeup looks, to keep your lips hydrated without the lip gloss bleeding, without it moving, without that freaking oil that happens sometimes at the bottom of your lips. And look at the finished product. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking the time to learn how to do this gorgeous nude lip. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you can get notifications of the next time I do another slayage, honey.